What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're going to be making smoked jerk chicken. Stay tuned. Okay, y'all, let's go ahead and get started on this jerk chicken. So today I'm actually using leg quarters, mainly because they was on sale. I think I paid $3.55 for these bad boys. So that's what we're going with. But you can just use drums, thighs, you can make wings, it don't matter. Whatever you want to use. So let's go ahead and get into the seasonings. Really, you only need two, but I'm gonna go extra. I got some jerk seasoning, Jamaican style. And you're gonna need this right here, this Walkerswood jerk seasoning. That's really all you need to make this jerk chicken. But I like to level up a little bit, so I'm gonna throw a little bit of thyme in there. Some crushed red peppers. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of this garlic and herb seasoning. So we're gonna mix all this up together. All right. All right, you want to go ahead and get your jerk marinade. I'm gonna use 2 generous scoops. If I feel like I'm gonna need more, I just go ahead and add a little bit more. So let's go ahead and spread this out. And you just want to get all your chicken covered, and you want to just make sure you press completely into the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna add just a little bit more jerk marinade. All right, after you have your marinade covered in your seasoning, you want to go ahead and cover this up and put this in your refrigerator for a minimum of at least 3 hours to overnight. Overnight is probably going to be best, but I'm probably going to go ahead and put this in the refrigerator for probably about 7-8 hours, and we're going to take it to the smoker. Okay, this is what it looks like once you get all the seasoning in deep down into your chicken. So we're gonna go ahead and cover this up, take this to the refrigerator. All right, you guys, it's been 7 hours. It's time to go ahead and put this jerk chicken on the smoker. We sitting at 275 degrees. This is gonna take probably around 2 hours, 2 hours and 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and place these bad boys right on the smoker. There we go, just like that. I'm gonna go ahead and close this top. I'll come out here in about an hour. I'll start checking these temps. All right, be back. All right, you guys, it's been about 2 hours and 20 minutes. We sitting at 170, so that means it's time to take these bad boys off. I'm gonna go ahead, put them on a plate, let them rest for about 15 minutes. And you know what time it is. All right. And bam, there you have it. That smoked jerk chicken right off that pellet smoker. Take a look at that right there. Got my Badia jerk seasoning, that Walkerswood jerk seasoning. You know, of course, I added a couple more things, but that's the only 2 ingredients you need right there. Take a look at that, man. Leg quarters. Man, these things came out delicious. I went and cut a little piece right there so you can see the interior. But man, just look at all the seasoning. Every single bite covered in seasoning. You're just gonna have to try it for yourself. But I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Make sure you hit that like button, share, subscribe. My name is Trey. It's time to eat.